Real quick, so I just wanted to do a review and an update on my personal nails that I put on by Kiss. It was the Impress version, and I put them on October the 8th, and I just want to let y'all know that I am shook to the fifth power. Because look, like, they're all still on. Like, they're all still on. Like, even the one that was too small for my thumb, they are all still on. The only thing that I would say would be a possible con, which it's not really a con because it's not a big deal, but sometimes like around the edges or like underneath you would get like the little glue boogies, but you could really just pick that off and keep it moving. It wasn't really that big of a deal. But these are definitely a buy and try. I would definitely try these if you're trying to break out of going to the nail salon and getting acrylics done so much, because I've spent a lot of money on acrylic nails over the years. Like, I've spent like, I spend anywhere between, depending on what I'm getting done, anywhere between 60 and 120 in a nail salon at a time. So to go from that to like $7, because I bought these from Rite Aid, they were like $7, something like that. That's a steal. So if you're trying to put that couple dollars back in your pocket and put it back in the pot, you better get you some of these because they last. Like, I done did everything. I done braided all my clients, shampooed them, blow dried them, using flat irons, you know, doing all my day-to-day activities, and I literally didn't lose any. Like, they didn't lift up, they didn't get damaged, none of them are cracked, they don't hurt. I honestly forgot that I even had them on until like maybe like the glitter or something would like catch my eye randomly, but I forgot that I even had them on. So get these a whirl, girl. They is definitely worth it.